Want to check the carrier or network on your iPhone? Here's how to do it. First, look at the top left of your screen. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. At the top left, you'll see your carrier name. For example, Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile. You can also check in Settings. Open Settings, tap Cellular. Under your SIM or eSIM, you'll see the carrier name. Another way is through About. Go to Settings, tap General, tap About. Scroll down to Network or Carrier. You'll see the carrier listed there. You can also check if your iPhone is carrier locked. In the same About section, look for Carrier Lock. If it says No SIM Restrictions, your iPhone is unlocked. If it says SIM Locked, it's locked to a carrier. If you have a physical SIM card, you can remove the SIM tray. The carrier name may be printed on the SIM card. And that's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.